At Dultmeier Sales, we sell into a variety of different markets, and one of those divisions is our car wash division. The Dultmeier Wash division centers around self-serve car washes, automatics, and conveyor facilities. We also sell to mobile cleaning people as well as industrial cleaning.
I think what sets Dultmeier Sales aside from the competition is our wide and deep inventories that we can supply on the distribution side, paired with a production facility where we do have basic production units that we do stock in inventory to get our customers up and running again, but we can also cater to their customized needs for their applications.
We are able to design and build custom equipment to meet the customer's needs, and that does vary by region. It varies by particular wash market.
Some customers have 2 bays of equipment, some guys have 8 bays of equipment, all the way from RO systems to pressure washer units, foam brush units, pre-soak units, tire cleaner units. We have engineers on staff that will gather the information that they need, which allows us to then sell them the product that they need right off the bat.
So not only is our production facility evolving from the amount of SKUs and products that we kick out or the size and scope of the actual operation, but we're also evolving in the sense that we're adding new positions to offer more support mechanisms for our customers. So when they do get our equipment, they have that lifeline they can use to call for setup. We're now offering more manuals with our products, so they can do a lot more on their own where they may not need to rely on us, but we're always there for them if they do want to make that call.
What's unique about Dultmeier is a lot of us have been in the industry for many, many years. Myself, I was out in the field for 20 plus years servicing and working on it, and Dultmeier was a huge asset to me. I feel like we're all assets to our customers when they need help with anything in their car wash.
I think the car wash industry is unique because there's a lot of family businesses in it, so you're working with people on a personal basis, and we get a lot of satisfaction taking care of our customers.
Customers keep coming back to Dultmeier Sales because we have the inventory levels to keep them profitable, to keep them running, to continue to be the hero in their customers' mind, but also the fact that we've established strong, solid relationships with them over decades of support. We have lots of friends that are our customers because we are truly invested in their success. Their success means our success.
Customer focus to me means we can help them before the sale, during the sale, and after the sale.
Customer focus for us is taking care of our customers' needs, all the way from the simplest fittings to engineered products. We understand that our business drives their business, and so we have to make sure that we are there for them when they need us. We have solutions for all of our customers' needs. That's all we do is have a good conversation, see what they need, write it down, come up with a plan, and introduce that to them.